Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter, and in this tutorial I'm going to show the basic trick of Photoshop. How to remove background image in Photoshop. Here I use the latest version of Photoshop. You can also use another version like CS6, Photoshop 8 or 7. There is the same process in every version. So let's go started for it. First, open an image. Press Ctrl Z for copy this layer. And now delete this background layer. Today I'll use pen tool for selection. If you don't have a high resolution image, then you can't use another selection tool. But if we use pen tool, we will get a perfect selection in every kind of image. So here I will select pen tool, then I will make a pointer beside of this image. And then I will make another pointer, but this time I will curve it in very few amount as required. So now we have to cut a pointer for make another pointer. So press Alt and click on this pointer. Then again press Alt and click on this pointer. If you did any mistake, you can press Ctrl Z. After complete selection, then right click on mouse and click on make selection. Type here feather amount 2, then click on OK. Now you can use backspace or delete for remove this background. You can use quick selection tool for select an image quickly, but that's for you have to need a high resolution image. So now to save this image without background, click on file, then save as, and here you have to select PNG for save it without background. If you select JPG or any other file, then your image will save with white background. Now click on save. Here is my saved image without background. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. If you want to learn anything else, you can comment in this video. I will try to make a tutorial on your topic. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, peace. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.